Hey, this is Paul from Wondershare Mockitt, and I only have one question for you really today, and that question is, are you looking for an app to give you clear direction to help you make a mobile application? Well, if you do, then Wondershare Mockitt might just be the app for you. Being a UX designer, you're always looking for new ways to try and help streamline your projects and find ways to make things go quicker and simpler than you ever had done before. And like I mentioned, Wondershare Mockitt might just be the app that you need to help streamline and make your workload even easier. If you're new here to the channel, first of all, why not like the video, comment below and subscribe as well, and make sure you turn on that notification bell. And if you do all of that, well, let me tell you all about today's video. Wondershare Mockitt is a mighty app design software that integrates the power of AI and creates the best versions of app designs for its users. If you've heard of ChatGPT before, then you'll be really interested to know that Wondershare Mockitt uses ChatGPT in its software. The entire application designing process is streamlined to change the workflow of designers. Those who are new to this system can consider the efficient application design as their UX designer tutorial for beginners. Seeing this pre-created design, you can learn so much about the software and its ability to create the best designs in no time. And Wondershare Mockitt does not disappoint with its workflow operations since they are integrated with AI. To learn more about this and make sure that you understand that automation, then why not follow the steps in this video and we will show you exactly how that UX design works by using Wondershare Mockitt. App designing with Wondershare Mockitt follows a few steps that I think that every designer should really follow and stick to. While learning how to design an app, we will initiate our discussion involving the research analysis of the application design that a UX designer is to draw. Before any UX designer starts doing things like wireframing, you have to go and take a step back, and you need to start with research, as that is one of the most important parts of designing an application. So let me show you how you could use Wondershare Mockitt to help you with that design research. The first step is to open Wondershare Mockitt on your browser or on the computer according to the version that you own. As it opens, you need to click the New button on the right hand side of the screen and continue by clicking Prototype. This opens up a canvas on a new screen where you can design your own application. Then for step 2, you need to continue into the AI section from the left hand side and proceed to the chat section from the top options on the left side of the window. Then for step 3, type in your prompt and click the send button to generate a response powered by ChatGPT. Android app names for a fitness app or Android app names for a music app. And this will get you a really good result according to your design needs. Designing prototypes of apps always takes up the time of any UX designer, and this is probably the most time-consuming part of creating that mobile application. With the inclusion of ChatGPT in the operations of Mockitt, the AI-efficient model of the design tool continues the creation of a component that will lead to the development of a prototype for the application. This AI design tutorial features a flowchart design here on Wondershare Mockitt, so follow the next steps and I'll show you exactly how you do it. Okay, step 1. As you're present in the canvas of Mockitt, lead into the AI section from that left hand side and select the Generator tab. You'll find this at the top of the panel. Continue to select the flowchart generator to proceed with the creation of a flowchart for your app. Type in a prompt in the pop-up that opens on the screen, and you can type in a prompt saying, how do I start building an Android app, for example. This will return you with a comprehensive flowchart stating all the explicit points that should be a part of the prompt. Along with creating a flowchart, you can generate mind map, chart, and table from the AI generator offered by Mockitt. Wondershare Mockitt has got the designer and the creator in its mind, and what it'll do is it takes that task of creating really difficult prototypes and eliminates it, because using AI, this is done in just a couple of seconds. And then instead of taking hours and days to create an Android app, what you can do is use the AI function to help that be created in just a few seconds. While providing a simple prompt for generation, Mockitt can dispose of the best results for designers. If you're a beginner in this field, then it can be a little bit overwhelming, but Wondershare Mockitt helps you learn when looking for ideas for wireframing an app. All you have to do is provide a text prompt to design to generate your required results in no time. Like I said, Wondershare Mockitt can create those in under a minute, and if you want to see how that can be done, then just follow these next steps. Okay, step 1 is as you have the canvas opened on Mockitt, lead into the AI section followed by the generator section on the left-hand panel. Continue to select the Proto Generator option from the available list. This opens up a pop-up where you can type in your text prompt to design. For example, add the prompt, add a music player on the main page, and this will generate a prototype. Once a prototype appears on the screen, you can add in multiple components generated through AI to create the best results. You can make other edits in the artboard and click download to export the final results. And this is a way you can also share it with other people using that share button. ChatGPT has been integrated into the way that Wondershare Mockitt works, and it helps designers get more than they ever have done before from apps that you might think are similar. Mockitt structure gives designers great leverage to improve their efficiency. To reduce the duplication of work in their designs, Mockitt serves up as a copywriting feature of Magic Fill for its users. This AI content writing tool features a perfect system of filling out details that are simply and easily discoverable. To know a little bit more about how Magic Fill works, all you have to do is just sit there and follow the next steps, and this will give you a really good idea. Open the generated artboard of the application on Mockitt and continue to the AI section on the left hand side panel. Go ahead and select Magic Fill in the generator tab to open up a pop-up. Step 2 here is to type in a prompt, and if you're making a music app, you could get something in there saying, "Get all Spanish songs that are trending now," and click continue to generate the appropriate text directly. This automatically fills out the respective details to make writing text even easier within prototypes. So much more can be done with Wondershare Mockitt, and in today's video we are just scratching the surface. However, the more you deep dive into it and use this, you will discover how powerful a tool this is. Whilst using Mockitt, there are some design tips that you could really follow. Firstly, Mockitt offers a collection of impressive templates in its community section for inspiring designers. This tool is available online for comprehensive editing, giving users the leverage of avoiding any inappropriate downloads. And third, you can ensure easy and effective collaboration between team members throughout Mockitt. While sharing and exporting designs, they can add simple comments on the design to make the workflow even smoother. And that is everything for today's video, and hopefully you've realized that using Wondershare Mockitt, it helps making that UX designs even easier with those enhancements using the AI and that ChatGPT integration. If you want to know more about this app, you can visit the website, which you can find in the description, but the best way to find out more about Wondershare Mockitt is to subscribe to this channel, because we are going to have so many more videos coming that will help you deep dive into Mockitt. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell as well, and drop a like. And if you do all of that, then we will see you in our next video.